baby. Let's run it again. Let's do it again. 40? All right. What the fuck is that? All right, bet. All right. God damn. Whoo, that was fucking exhilarating. Shit. Damn. That was crazy. Oh, man. That was funny shit. That GC500 was moving though. I had to let off because if I didn't, he was definitely gonna crash how much he was on my ass. Whoo, my heart is fucking bumping. Let me change this shit up real quick. Got this line ass motherfucker. Let's get it, baby. Oh, pulling on this nigga top end, baby. Come on, let's go. That was good ass race. Woo! That was fucking crazy. That was fucking crazy. Damn, that was fucking crazy. That was a good ass fucking run. Fuck. See ya. You can see I fast forwarded to the end of the night. Yeah, it's over. Got my dog out here. Years in. Got my dog out here. Yeah, we moved to the iPhone. We was on the GoPro, but yeah. Got a few runs in. I'm gonna post a clip from the other shit I had up in Tampa. I only had like one race. It was my dog, you know, some regular, but look at this car, man. Tanzanite, Austin yellow. Oh man, shit can't get no better. But yeah, do that good shit. Like, comment, and subscribe. Him talking to chat. You gotta end. I don't want to talk. Let me stop. I respect all Beamers, but yeah. Follow your boy. You already know.